This how to 1 minute will show you how to change WordPress admin email without confirmation. So in this video, I will show you 2 ways to change admin email. The first method is from your WordPress dashboard and the second method is from cPanel. Now let's see the first method. Log into your WordPress dashboard and here click on this URL bar and make sure it's your domain name /wp-admin/ right here option.php. So make sure it's wp-admin/option.php, and then you will jump into this settings page. Once you are in this page, press Ctrl F and here type admin_email and you will get this admin email. Now all you have to do is just enter here your new email address, then scroll down all the way to the bottom and click on Save Changes. And now if I go to my settings and if I click on General, and here as you can see the administrator email address has been changed. Now let's see the second method. Log into your cPanel, scroll down under databases, click on PHP My Admin on your WordPress website database. And here scroll down, you will find WP options. So click on it. And here you will get the admin email. So click on edit. And then from here you will be able to change your WordPress admin email address. Then make sure to click on Go to save it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. How to 1 minute. See you in the next video.